if you don't know, I haven't handed around to anything, but that ought to look different to you. Especially the whole background. It's gray. Normally it's black. Line tune is black. That's Palm Beach dyno tune now. I'm retuning the 18 to Palm Beach dyno because I gotta have that trans brake. Just gotta get that trans brake. Lund offers it also, but they do it the it's not really the old-fashioned way, but you gotta wire tap into your wiring harness above your transmission and all that crap, and it's on a button and all that stuff, and this is more convenient, I guess, for me. It's basically your preference. And I've been coordinating with Rob for a while now about wanting me to come over, but my other car, my 16, it's still line tuned. It's gonna stay line tuned unless I'm just blown away by this tuning by Rob here, and if I am, I'll switch it over to Palm Beach also. But anyways, I've done data logged it on the 93, got it set in, tuned in pretty good. I've done data logged it on the E85. This is the I'm gonna send in another data log after this one, just trying to tweak on the transmission. I'm very advocate on the data logs, so I'll send in another one just for the heck of it. I'll go out here and find a back road somewhere and let her roll from a dead stop and send her in. Just trying to get the car ready for this event I got going on this Saturday, June the 1st. But anyways, we'll see how she does. Of course, this car is a PP1 car. She's fat. My wife calls it Fat Betty. Of course, I bought it for her. It's her car. That's what I tell everybody. It's my wife's. But that's what we call it, Fat Betty, because it's fully loaded. You know, leather, everything. Even got the kid seat back there with me in it. Of course, I'm 250 pounds. I think it weighs 4,060 pounds with me in it. So if you follow Stain mode, that's exactly what his car weighs with him in it, but he does a little bit of weight reduction here and there, you know, which I will too. I'll take the seats and stuff out, just the normal stuff. See if we can get her to go. I think I've got a slip here from a while back. This car ran 716. Look at the 60 foot. It was terrible. No, that's the wrong one. She's always number 25. It's my bad. It was a 1860 foot with a 7.2. Yeah. This car's number is always 25. My car number is always 95. Try to be most of the time, but me personally, I've been a 7.0 in this car with weight reduction. But the best 60 foot I've been in this car, holding the brake and the e-brake pulled, was a 1.7 and some change. And that's when I run the 7.0 pass. But as far as, that's when it was line tuned. And this car just basic Pmas line. It was Lund E85 tuned, and stock 18 manifold, but it's ported by Bret barber. That's it. 305 street R's on the back, welds all the way around, but the front welds ain't skinnies. They're 20 by 8s on the front. So I mean 17 by 10s on the back. See, I think these are 275, 35, 20s on the front. Brembo. All right then. Got my data logs done. Now we'll send them in. Send it in. Wait for revision.